The third generation FleXinspect equipment, referred to as Generation 3, provides unmatched automation for glassmakers. It is a modular platform that allows for various machine layouts and configurations. A few of the highlights are job portability and repeatability across multiple lines, motorized adjustments for the optics and handling devices, touch-free and dust-proof optical assemblies. As all the adjustable components, optics and handling devices are motorized, their positions are saved in the job files and can be quickly recalled during job changes. All optical components are encapsulated behind hardened protective glass. No cleaning of the optical components is necessary, eliminating potential misadjustments. Both the electrical and optical cabinets are air-conditioned to allow for operation in the harshest conditions. When set up to read the mold number, detailed inspection data is correlated and shared among all of the inspection devices on that line. As a log file records all of the parameter changes, including the information about who did what change and when, unwanted changes can be identified and reversed. CS4 is a dedicated servo-driven container separator designed for high-speed production. It is not sensitive to line pressure. It allows for broken glass to fall through gaps in the conveyor. Additionally, in-feed and out-feed speeds are synchronized with the conveyor to stabilize the wear. The IQM is an in-feed control and removal device that automatically checks and removes unwanted wear, such as over and under height, fallen, and broken bottles. This prevents machine stoppages and accidental equipment damage, eliminating the need for human intervention. When running multi-article production, the IQM can also be used to remove containers that were directed to the wrong line. Let's talk about the inspections provided by the FleXinspect B Gen 3. The unique optical design uses a 4-megapixel camera to capture high-resolution images of the complete container base, including the stipple and heel area. Advanced algorithms and filters are then used to detect defects and read the mold numbers. Using the same base lens, a second 4-megapixel camera acquires the images for the base stress inspection. To allow for accurate stress inspection, the same zone positions established in the base inspection are used to inspect for stress defects. Using the images from the base inspection, a top-down mold number reading algorithm detects alphanumeric and all types of dot codes. The images captured by the unique wide-angled optics and the 4-megapixel camera allow the software to achieve high reading rates. As part of the Scout AI Deep Learning Library, there is an alphanumeric code reader available, which enables high-accuracy readings even with poorly formed codes while minimizing the amount of parameter adjustments. The next inspection within the FleXinspect B is the Finish 1 Sealing Surface Inspection. It detects defects such as line overs, unfilled, dirty or damaged finishes, plus many others, and is available for all types of finishes from 10 to 120 millimeters diameter. This inspection station uses 5-megapixel HD cameras and geometrically corrected optics to deliver crystal clear pictures. Optionally, Finish 1 can be equipped with 4 additional cameras dedicated for wire edge and overpress detection. Another component of the Scout AI Deep Learning Library is the Deep Learning Wire Edge Detection Station, designed to recognize and sort this critical defect with minimal parameter adjustments. A second sealing surface inspection available on the FleXinspect B is the Finish 2. It is used to control the surface quality and is available for all types of finishes, from 10 to 120 millimeters diameter. This inspection station also uses a 5-megapixel HD camera with geometrically corrected optics to create crystal clear pictures. The AL is a container alignment device often used to orient containers for the sidewall inspection machine. Positional information from the base inspection is transferred to the AL container alignment system to orient each container based on engravings or other features. The AL is the only system on the market to handle and orient more than one container in its belt section simultaneously, ensuring the highest throughput at the lowest conveyor speeds for maximum container stability. This leads us to the next main inspection machine, the FleXinspect C Generation 3. Let's talk about the inspections provided by the FleXinspect C Gen 3. The FleXinspect C Gen 3 is a powerful and versatile sidewall stress, and dimensional inspection system with unique features such as 6 single light sources, dust-proof optics, and multi-article capabilities. The opaque sidewall inspection consists of 6 cameras. The camera angles enable a view of more than 360 degrees of the container. Additionally, the unique camera positions allow the inspection of the complete heel area. As each optical path is identical, one set of master parameters is automatically replicated across all 6 views. The same 6 sidewall opaque images are also used for standard dimensional measurements such as height, verticality, diameter, ovality, and shape. The low-contrast transparent view is generated by the Intelli LED light sources, offering the possibility of additional imaging with the same camera using different light patterns. These light patterns help to create images that, together with specialized algorithms, allow the system to detect and reject containers with very low contrast defects. To detect stress defects, such as stones or other inclusions, the FleXinspect C features 6 cameras and polarized optics. As the resulting images are dark, the identified inspection zone positions from the opaque view are used. 6 dedicated cameras are positioned in a downward angle to gain a better view of the shoulder and finish area. The standard opaque and shoulder cameras are designed to cover the container range up to a height of 350 millimeters. This range can be extended to 440 millimeters using a tall wear setup. The 6 shoulder cameras can be used to detect defects such as dips, blisters, and inclusions in the finish and threaded area on containers with a finish diameter of 38 millimeters or larger. The FleXinspect C can be used to inspect and sort up to 4 different container types. Each container type is automatically recognized in the software and inspected with a separate set of inspection parameters. After inspection, good containers are diverted onto their respective paths. Optional to the included software dimension measurements of FleXinspect C, there is available a dedicated 2-camera dimensional standalone system offering the benefit of telecentric optics and contrast-enhanced image generating. This system allows much more precise sorting for all dimensional measurement, which use absolute values as diameter, height, and angles, and minimizes conveyor-related inaccuracies by synchronized image generation. All containers found defective by the inspection system are removed from the conveyor by the height-adjustable double blower reject system. To sort or sample specific defects by type or from an inspection device, up to 4 of these reject devices can be installed. The last part of the inspection process in the FleXinspect Gen 3 inspection family is the Reject Confirm Sensor RC. The RC sensor validates that all containers it detects have passed all of the necessary inspections. The 3rd generation FleXinspect provides unmatched automation for glassmakers. We will be glad to provide you with more information about our machines and services.